In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log in to Typeform. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Now, let's jump right in. I will guide you through the process of accessing your Typeform account so that you can start creating those beautiful forms and surveys you've been eager to develop. The process itself is pretty straightforward, but there are several routes you can take depending on how you initially set up your account. So let's get started. First, you'll want to open your favorite web browser. This could be Google Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or whichever one you prefer. Once your browser is open, head over to the Typeform login page. You can do this by simply typing Typeform login into your search bar, or if you know the URL, enter it directly. Once you arrive at the login page, you will see a few different options. This part is key. It's important that you select the specific login method that matches how you originally created your Typeform account. This will help you avoid any confusion, or even worse, the accidental creation of a duplicate account. Now let's go through the options you have. If your Typeform account is linked to a Gmail address or you're using Google Workspace, look for the button that says Login with Google. Once you click that, it will take you to a screen where you will select your Google account. This is usually a quick process because you're already signed in, and you may just need to verify your identity. If you're one of those corporate users who signed up with an Office 365 or a Microsoft account, good news, there's a button for you too. Just click on the one that says Log in with Microsoft. This option seamlessly integrates into your existing Microsoft ecosystem, making it super easy to get into your dashboard. For those of you who prefer using your Apple ID, you are not left out. There's a Login with Apple button available as well. Simply click on that and follow the prompts to access your Typeform account. Now, if your sign-up journey took on a more traditional route with a standard email and a unique password, you will have a different process. Forget about those external buttons for a moment. Instead, look for the designated text fields that are set out for you on the login page. In the first field, type in the email address you used to register your Typeform account. Then, in the field right below, go ahead and enter your password. It's super important to double-check what you've typed in here to ensure there are no typos. The system needs to verify your credentials, and even a small mistake can prevent you from